Welcome to this guided meditation for breath and presence. In this practice, our journey will focus on the gift of breath and the beauty of the present moment. Taking these next few moments for yourself will serve as a touchstone, allowing you to move through your day with a calm heart and a clear mind. Start by finding a quiet spot where you can sit or lie down in comfort. If you choose to sit, make sure your back is straight and your hands are resting gently on your lap or at your sides. When you're ready, I invite you to close your eyes. Breathe naturally here, letting the world around you fade. All the responsibilities, the to-dos, the thoughts of yesterday or tomorrow, you might let them be, focusing your attention here in this moment. You might begin to notice the sensations around you, the temperature of the room, the touch of air against your skin, distant sounds. Rather than being distracted, allow these sensations to ground you further into the present. I'll invite you to gently shift your focus to your breathing. There's no need to change its rhythm. Instead, simply observe the breath. Feel the air enter through your nostrils or mouth, travel down to your lungs, expand your chest or belly, and then softly exit, carrying away any tension. As you continue to breathe, you might imagine a calming warmth beginning at the crown of the head. This warmth is like the gentle touch of morning sunlight. It soothes and relaxes. Allow the sensation to move downwards. Caressing your forehead, relaxing your eyes, and easing the muscles of the face. Continue with the sensation as it travels, moving down to your neck, melting away any stiffness in your shoulders, flowing through your arms and into your fingertips. Feel this warmth move down your spine, wrapping around your torso, descending through the legs, all the way to your toes. With each breath, any tightness or tension you're holding simply evaporates, leaving you deeply relaxed. Take a few more deep breaths here, feeling into that sensation of peace and security. The beauty of this moment is yours, and all you need to do is breathe. I invite you to imagine a serene space within you. This could be a meadow, a quiet beach, a forest clearing, or any other place where you feel at peace. Begin to imagine it as vividly as you can. The colors, the sounds, the sensations in this space. you might allow yourself to come into an introspective mindset. You might pose the gentle question, what insights does my heart wish to share with me today? Allow this question to hover in your mental space without forcing an answer. The intention is not to think deeply, but to feel and to listen. You may receive an insight, a memory, or perhaps nothing specific at all. The key is to stay present with whatever arises without judgment. As thoughts or insights emerge, come back to your breath. When you find your mind wandering too far, you can use each inhalation to say to yourself, I am, and each exhalation to affirm, here now. Inhale, I am. Exhale, here now. Feel into the harmony between your inner self and the world around you. This beautiful alignment is where wisdom emerges and clarity is found. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more rooted in the now, in the present moment. Each breath is both a journey inward and a reminder of the world around. Savor these moments, these breaths here. They are a gift you're giving to yourself. A chance to not only look within, but to truly see. To not just breathe, but to deeply connect with the essence of life. As this meditation draws to a close, let's start our transition back, gently and gracefully, without rushing. Bring your attention back to the environment around you. Listen to the sounds that may be gently touching your ears. Perhaps the distant hum of the world waking up, or the soft rhythm of your own heartbeat. As you rest here, think of this meditation as a metaphorical sunrise. When the sun rises, it doesn't jump up into the sky. It rises slowly, casting a warm golden hue, dispelling the darkness, and revealing the beauty of the world. In the same way, I invite you to rise from this meditation, carrying with you the light of presence and awareness into your day. And gently begin to deepen your breath. Each inhalation bringing in freshness and vitality. Each exhalation releasing any residual tension or drowsiness. Visualize this air as revitalizing energy, preparing you to face the day with clarity and intention. Move your attention slowly through your body, feeling the weight of your form against the surface beneath you. gradually bring some movement into your extremities. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the sensation as a reawakening. Rotate your wrists and ankles. Stretch your arms and legs, and maybe even roll your shoulders or neck if that feels good. When you're ready, without any rush, open your eyes. I invite you to take a moment to simply be, to appreciate the room around you, the colors, the textures, and the play of light. As you move through your day, remember that the space of peace is always with you, just a breath away. Every sunrise promises a new beginning, and with the awareness you've cultivated today, you are prepared to fully embrace it. May this day unfold beautifully for you. Thank you for being here.